Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience. In this video, we are going to discuss about SJV and recruitment for Executive Trainee Law. The syllabus for the exam has been released and we are going to look into the details of the syllabus. I have already released the notification video around 4 days ago. You can check out all the details related to this recruitment through this video. Now coming to the syllabus, there are two parts. For part A, for legal part, there are 120 questions and this is the syllabus of part A. Jurisprudence, constitutional law, law of contracts and special contracts, family law of torts including motor vehicle accidents, consumer protection laws, law of crimes, property law, labor law of taxation, company law, administration law, alternate dispute resolution, that Information Technology Act and RTI Act, Civil Procedure Code, Indian Evidence Act, Bharatiya Sakshi Adhiniam, Criminal Procedure Code, Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita, land laws including Land Acquisition Act, law of limitations, specific relief and registration, rent laws, banking and insurance laws, environmental and wildlife protection laws, service laws, the law of intellectual property, and economic and social offences. So these are all the laws that you may have to study in order to prepare for this exam. The total paper is of 150 marks, out of which 120 marks are for the part A, which is legal portion. For part B, there are 30 marks and you'll expect questions from general knowledge, general aptitude, reasoning, mathematics, and language and behavioral aptitude. Let's quickly look at the exam pattern once. The exam duration is of 2 hours. It's a computer-based test. 150 multiple choice questions of 150 marks. Section 1, which is your law, 120 multiple choice questions, and we have already seen the syllabus. And 30 multiple choice questions of general ability, logical reasoning, intelligence test. Please note few points. Each correct answer will carry 1 mark and no negative marking is there for wrong answer. So you can attempt all the questions, there is no negative marking. Further, no marks for unattempted questions will be assigned to the candidate. As there is no negative marking, you should attempt all the 150 questions. Just one more key highlight. There is no experience required in this recruitment. Final year candidates can also apply for this recruitment. So you can check out the details of this exam and you can start your preparation. If you have already prepared for Coal India, a lot of topics have already been prepared for you. So you can choose to appear for this recruitment. If you have any queries, any doubts, you can mention them in the comment below or you can also mention them in the Google form that is attached in the description below. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching this video. Enroll with iExamB and make your preparation 50% faster. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned.